Hello there, and thank you so much for sticking to the course, and I hope you all enjoy the course so far. So from previous meeting, from previous video, you might get it that I was unable to communicate properly due to some health issues, and that's the reason I didn't document the whole process after the meeting. And but I have definitely updates for you and for the client as well. So let me just quickly show you what I did so far. So here is the sign in and sign up process. You can see we're here, login, and a splash screen where we included the login button, and as per the client request, client found the logo to be in the same place and both screen, so which I did it. Then we have the email and password. Now if we don't have account, we are setting up account, so this is the flow. And you can see over here the client want the logo to be on the top, so you can see this is the thing that we did in the component, right? So it was very easy. All I did is just add this logo to the component, and it replicate in all the screens. Okay, so super easy. Then we have these first name, last name, date of birth, how many children you have. I just did a little tweak here. I just give it a background and this of course birthday, and then select gender and add child, right? So this is the same flow. All right, then we have, like culture and background, what are your political affiliations. All right, and so overall it is the same that we have worked on. But you can see we're here, and for this one, do you have fits, we created two variation for the client, and client really like this one. They want to stick with that, so that's why we keep that. And lastly, I created this screen that you are almost there, let's finish your profile. The same is for this one. You can see over here, you're almost there, let's finish your profile. Okay, so this is exactly the same kind of output as for the client wireframes. Okay, but I added a little bit illustration, just like we added over here. And even also the client allow this one. Okay, so far so good. Then for the sitter, I created different variation for the client. The one is like if how many children you are comfortable with, so we have this incrementer, plus minus, we can increase and decrease it from here. And this is also another variation that we did it. I will definitely discuss this with client in a meeting, and maybe together we fix that. All right, and we also add religion, certification, and yeah, so this is the same as per the requirement. Okay, all right, and then let's discuss about the prompt, which definitely we took a lot of brainstorming and research for that, and then we come up with the perfect solution. So you can see over here this client wanted that kind of experience, right? So you can see over here we have this, basically what this prompt does. So this prompt basically does like it make easier for our parent and for sitter to get the perfect one for both, right? So they basically add the prompt and give it answer, so whichever match with the parent and sitter, then they get that kind of result. So you can see over here the first thing I did over here is basically I added this kind of tiles with these this stroke. And for the stroke we added this dashed stroke, so it's mean like this is something which is somehow semi, it's not completed, right? And once we select it, for example, if we select prompt here, and then we have this kind of prompt which we need to answer. Of course, there is some spacing issue which I definitely fixed that over here, right? But since these are just for the for to show you guys, then we have, like for example, if I select this one, and you can see over here it is selected, and we can give it our answer here. And we can we can also edit from here as well. So super easy, right? Boom. So then the same flow, like for example, once we added answer to it, you can see over here the answer is added, and now we have this cross icon. So I can easily, you know, like again I can delete it from here, and we can again look, if I delete this, I will cross it will become like this, and then I will have to do select the prompt again. Okay, so this is the flow that we have over here, and we just, you know, organize it in better and as per the theme. All right, and this is the same as for the sitter. So that's how we have the update for the client. And yeah, let me you know, like discuss this with client, and then I will show you you will see the how is the updates are going. So yeah, see you in the next video.